This is the future BGC in Bulacan. Welcome to Northwind Global City. As of now, nasa construction period pa lang itong township na to, and we're currently offering our first residential condo, which is 9 Central Park. Enjoy hotel-type amenities at retail stores or cafes just an elevator away from your unit. At alam nyo ba, ang unique sa project na ito ay yung bay windows. If you're not familiar, uso siya sa New York and para siyang extension ng living area. Lahat ng units here in 9 Central Park ay may bay windows. This project is just along NLEX, kaya perfect kung naghahanap ka ng investment or pang Airbnb. Malapit din ito sa Philippine Arena at New Manila International Airport. No spot down payment tayo for this project, and studio unit starts at around 15,000 per month.